Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add background color in Photoshop document. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add background color. Then we show this background color is white color, and we show the layer and text layer and background layer. Now choose from background. Now we go into the toolbar option. Now select from color hand option. Now select from, now choose from color. Now choose from yellow color. Now click OK. Now keyboard press from alter backspace. That is. Then I show change the color. Then again select from and choose color. Now keyboard press from backspace. Keyboard press alter backspace. That is. Now you can see add background color in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.